I am Sonia Pradhan, 20 years old, hailing proudly from organic state of Sikkim.
So, to describe myself, I would like to say I'm someone who is very, goal oriented, ambitious, and a curious person to learn and explore new things. And people around me often says that I'm someone who is very.
Don't you think coming from a small town and a
Yes.
small state like Sikkim, त्यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई पुरा पिछा तान्छ या फिर do you think it as an opportunity?
Sonia Pradhan, Sikkim!
What can men do to make women feel more comfortable?
I would only like to say one thing, that is because she's someone's wife, she's someone's mother.
The most important
Yes,
is
she is someone, right?
How are you feeling right now? Yanira, there's no stage, there's no lights, there's no crown. It's just you here in the hills and recording a real and raw conversation. So how are you feeling right now? Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and thank you so much for showing up.
Thank you so much for calling me also.
So our first question to you is how would you describe yourself? तपाईले आफूलाई आफूलाई कसरी describe गर्नुहुन्छ?
So, to describe myself, I would like to say I'm someone who is very, goal oriented, ambitious, and a curious person to learn and explore new things. And people around me often says that I'm someone who is very kind, grounded, and very grateful to things that they have done to us. So, yeah, I would also like to that on too.
Goal-oriented one. Yes, so why do you think this goal-oriented mindset is required?
Okay. सो मान्छेहरूकोमा चाहिँ नि इफ देयर इज नो एम्बिसन्स अर गोल लाइफमै छैन भने भट्किन्छ नि जस्ट लाइक वेन वी चुज अ वे एउटा दुइटा चुज हुन्छ अब हामी लाइक दुइटा वे हुन्छ इफ यु गो टु सिम्पल बाटोमा गयो भने त्यो सिम्पलै हुन्छ नि त बट इफ यु हेभ द गोल एन्ड माइन्ड सेट त्यो क्लियर भएर जान्छ इभन इफ द वे इज नट यु नो इभन इफ द वे इज नट द्याट simple, it's dangerous भने पनि if you have the mindset and the plan, that will definitely lead to you onto that position. I would say goal हुनुको लागि. I mean like that is why it is important to have a goal. Yeah, to achieve something.
So you जुन चाहिँ तपाईँको goal छ right to achieve something big.
Yes.
Don't you think coming from a small town and a small state like Sikkim, त्यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई पुरा पिछा तान्छ या फिर do you think it as an opportunity?
Actually, I think it as both way because coming from a small state when I went for like Miss Universe India, I did had a lot of disadvantage. के भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब people in our Sikkim state they doesn't know about the pageantry, you know, and it is very difficult for us to come forward. यस्तोमा चाहिँ के चाहिन्छ भने भोट्सहरू चाहिन्छ नि त people support चाहिन्छ not only in votes but also we have like some funds collecting things त्यस्तोहरूकोमा पनि we need donations and all which त्यसमा चाहिँ मैले अब like I had a backlash a lot. Also talking about advantages, I would say that small state देखि we will have the opportunity to develop to being something new in our state. बाहिर गएर we'll learn more things, we'll meet every girls around the India country बाहिरबाट पनि आएको हुन्छ but who is extra contestant will learn their cultures and will be able to implement that thing in our state. So I feel it is both an advantages and disadvantage, you know, to come go from a state like Sikkim, which is very obviously not up to that mark. But yeah, looking forward to develop and bring something for the youth coming generation. केही न केही चाहिँ गर्छु भनेर पनि I have those things in my mind.
What comes to your mind जब तपाईँले सिक्किम सुन्छ?
Sikkim is obviously a beautiful, a diverse state, you know. Obviously, India is also a diverse country, but Sikkim itself is a separate, diverse state. So, what I feel is like with this beautiful Himalayas, nature, the culture, the tradition, we have the different blend of tradition we have. I feel like that is the most unique part of Sikkim. Uh, Even though we have like different communities in our Sikkim, but we always are ready to celebrate each other's traditions, cultures. जहाँ पनि गएर अब जसको पनि भइरहेको हुन्छ एनजी मार्गमा गएर भए पनि कार्य, we are always there to celebrate, support each other. So I feel like the welcoming nature of Sikkim's people, that is the most important. I mean, like that is what I think when Sikkim comes in my mind.
How are you feeling right now, Gyanira? There's no stage, there's no lights, there's no crown. It's just you here in the hills and recording a real and raw conversation. So, how are you feeling right now?
Of course, at first I felt nervous, but looking at the, your ideas, your productive way to do this podcast is very beautiful. I just love it. And I am also like settling myself. I'm being able to express myself, not those, there's no setup or anything like that. After Uruchi, I'm feeling very happy. Thank you for choosing this beautiful place. Even we'll be able to show our beautiful nature, just like I said, of Sikkim. So yeah, it's very pretty and wonderful.
Thank you so much. Like you are one of the best guests we have had so far. So can you please tell us something about your journey, your Miss Universe Sikkim winner and Miss Universe India finalist? So
सानैदेखि स्टार्ट गर्नु भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ my family, they used to call me like, I mean like, I used to say them म चाहिँ पुरा अब के मोडलिङहरू गर्नु पुरा मनपर्छ, but I didn't knew that. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ भन्नु चाहिँ भन्थेँ अरे म पुरा मिस सिक्किमहरू मिस इन्डियामा जान्छु भनेर. तर लेटर when I went स्कुलहरू पढ्दै गर्दाखेरि I didn't have that much of interest. अझै स्पोर्ट्सहरूतिर I was like going forward. अन्त फेरि बिस्तारै चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ we have our कम्युनिटीको मिस नेवारको मिस एन्ड मिस्टर नेवार देयर तथा अनिसा तथा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँले चाहिँ मलाई she told me to participate, and I was like not confident enough, but still it's nothing, it's just the way of preserving your culture. So okay, I said got you banera, and that also I won, not I was one of the winner but not second runner up. So after that they saw potential in me. त्यस्ता हो कम्युनिटीको मान्छेहरूले. अन्त त्यसरी नै उनीहरूले मलाई सपोर्ट गरेर they pushed me a lot. पुरा भन्ने शिशिर बाजु, one of them who was Sisi Baju, who literally, told me as soon as I won Miss Newar, Daddy Hinchi, you have to go for Miss Sikkim and all, you have to practice a lot. Since you have the potential, but this isn't enough for upcoming, the competition. Also, Pratiksha Tota hunनुहुन्छ, she's also very sweet. She's someone who guided me through all this journey. So, उनीहरूले चाहिँ, they told me to, go forward, you can do it. Not just for yourself, but for the people who is looking, onto you. खालके अब because I'm not someone who is very professional or a model खालके त हैन नि त. I am someone who's who is
model करके है ना.
I mean like I पहिला I wasn't like that. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ slowly when I gradually I grew up and I started knowing हुन्छ नि अब अर्को टाउनदेखि अब I used to stay in remote अलिक एरियामा. So त्यहाँदेखि अलिक आएर गान्तोकमा हेर I got the vibe, I got the environment त्यस्तो हुनुपर्ने रहेछ भनेर त्यसरी नै I went and I gave my audition, but I didn't even knew that I was I didn't even know that I would get selected. Yeah. And the one day I got a call. Even though I wasn't like so sure that was a real call, I thought it was like a bank call. And then I'm like, okay, then I'll do it. So it's a banbayo. And then during the journey, what I learned is I knew first ma polished thing, I wasn't like that. The first ma they weren't even noticing me. It seems by I was someone I was all ready to, like I said, open to new learning things. अब नयाँ नयाँ उयोहरू चाहिँ पढ्नु सिक्नु चाहिँ मलाई पुरा मन पर्थ्यो. Even though I wasn't, too good contestantहरू equally उयो थियो नि त कम्पिटिटिभ खतरा थियो. हाम्रो टाइममा डक्टर्सहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो, अलरेडी पेजेन्टहरू गरेर आउनु भएकोहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो होइन. But I was someone who was very raw. अन्त त्यस्तै गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I met so many people चाहिँ नि अब हाम्रो उयोहरू हुन्थ्यो, इन्टरेक्सन्सहरू हुन्थ्यो, इन्टरभ्यूहरू हुन्थ्यो, इन्टलेक्चुअल पिपल्सहरू आएर भन्नुहुन्थ्यो, उनीहरूको एक्सपिरियन्स सेयर गर्नुहुन्थ्यो, उनीहरूको जर्नी सेयर. That's how I learned. That's how I brought that ambitious thing in myself. त्यसरी नै अन्त I won. That journey was very fruitful for me. It was a very opportunistic platform for me. But Miss Universe India machi, what I did was I did give my best, but I couldn't do it. Maybe it wasn't a time for me. त्यो time थिएन होला. अब maybe there is a next time for me. I might go and make my state proud. But I'm so sorry. This time I couldn't do it. But surely I will come back stronger. Yes, stronger.
So, it seems like you have had a lot of growth in journey, right? So, Andache, are you the same Sonia you were back when you were in high school, or has your dream, or has your dreams evolved over the years?
Of course, I'm not a same person. Jolly मान्छेले अब as you know me from high school होइन म यस्तो थिएनै थिएन right? Of course, I have changed myself in a lot of ways. I wasn't even confident to talk in front of everyone. Not even with friends. I was that kind of person who was very introverted person. But now, what this platform made me is someone who can express myself way better. But I'm not in that field. I'm always there to learn more things, and I'm always, trying to learn more things, even to express myself in a better way. But that in somewhere that platform just gave me how to express myself way more better, because what I feel is that this platform is not just about you getting fame or doing something else. It's just about knowing yourself better in a better way, and to be able to express yourself. त्यो चाहिँ मैले सबसे भन्दा बेसी सिकेँ. अन्त of course I'm not the same Sonia, someone who was very less confident. Yeah.
Was there no moment in this journey जब चाहिँ तपाईँलाई लागेको थियो कि I cannot do this anymore, म अब गर्न सक्दिनँ, I give up खालके, and कसरी त्यो मोमेन्टदेखि चाहिँ तपाईँले ग्रो गर्नुभयो?
That's a great question actually, because the one had asked me before. There was a lot, मान्छेहरूले बाहिरबाट हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ नि, they say pageantry is nothing, just to walk, just to talk, that's it. But they doesn't know the real depth of pageantry. So when I went for Miss Sikkim, त्यतिखेर चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ I did had त्यस्तो खालके थट, अब म गर्न सक्दिनँ होला भने, मिस सिक्किमै गर्दै म गर्न सक्दिनँ होला भने. तर there was one person who came, हुन्छ नि हाम्रो उयो इन्टरभ्यू लाइक सेसन थियो त, उहाँले चाहिँ भन्नुभयो कि you should always keep yourself in a situation where you can do everything. He said like, you are the winner. You should always call yourself a winner. Even though winner the exam हुन्छ नि त होइन, but still pageantry is something from where you learn. And the आफूले आफूलाई हुन्छ नि विनर हुन्छु भनेर चाहिँ नि बनाउनु सक्ने खालको चाहिँ it's that kind of platform. So that's how I came up more stronger by calling myself a winner. I'm already a Miss Universe Sikkim. Even though म जित्दिनँ, तर भए पनि I will call myself Miss Universe Sikkim. That's how I came. But in Miss Universe India, it was very hard. Firstly, to be honest, I wasn't that prepared, because it was हुन्छ नि अब छिटो भइहाल्यो, soon after Miss Sikkim भइहाल्यो Miss India होइन. अन्त I didn't had a lot of time also.
And I think तपाईँहरूको टाइममा it was the first time your Miss Universe and Miss Universe India thing.
Yeah. It's a first edition. So अब अरू बेला पनि जान्थ्यो मिस युनिभर्स इन्डियामा, सिक्किमबाट जान्थ्यो, तर they were like, I didn't have that kind of idea. Nobody was there to, though there were some, but they didn't,
Guide you.
yeah, they didn't tell me, because they weren't free. उनीहरू पनि त मेरो लागि जहिले फ्री हुनु त सक्दैन नि त, उनीहरूले गतसम्म गर्नुभयो गरिदिनु भयो. त्यहाँदेखि उता त अब I had to do, but I didn't have that kind of mindset हुन्छ नि. अब त्यो यादै थिएन मलाई चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ भनेर. I was just running around in and around उता for some help, asking for some help, अब उयो बजेटहरू. त्यस्तोमा गर्दाखेरि I wasn't able to prepare myself. तर one thing that you should always do when you go for competition is that uh, आफूले आफूलाई चाहिँ छ नि इमोसनली चाहिँ you should keep strong, not just outside बाट मात्रै emotionally, mentally, everything you should be keeping that thing in your mind. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ मिस युनिभर्स इन्डियामा पनि बिचमा चाहिँ अब कसै भयो आई लिटरली या कति कस्तो ब्रेकडाउन हुन्छ आई लिटरली युज टु क्राई इनसाइड द आई युज टु गो इनसाइड द बाथरुम एन्ड आई युज टु क्राई अब यस्तो हुन्छ रहेछ नि अब अरूको छेउमा चाहिँ रोयो भने चाहिँ त्यसै सिम्पथी गेन गरेको भनेर चाहिँ होइन विच आई डोन्ट लाइक अभियसली मेरो एउटा इन्टरभ्यूमा आई सेड हुन्छ नि दे आस्ट मी पर्सनल इन्टरभ्यू र बाहिर इन्टरभ्यू पनि चाहिँ म पर्सनल इन्टरभ्यू पनि म बस आएँ बिकज विल बी एबल टु एक्सप्रेस माइसेल्फ एन्ड विल नट बी एबल पिपल विल नट जज मी अब इभन इफ आई क्राई it's only the person who is asking me the question, not others. No, त्यही भएर चाहिँ I feel like I can't go and cry outside. त्यो भित्र गएर रुन्थेँ होइन तर there was one contestant from Arunachal Pradesh, Lupten Lamu, who said like who was the strongest, motivational person for me, who gave like everything to me, and she was like the one who supported me throughout the journey, and she was like, I am here to not just for myself but to represent my state, the entire state, the girl who is looking the girls who are looking onto me. So that's how I grew up. I mean, like, I came more back stronger, even though prelims ko time ma pani I was feeling breakdown because I had some problem. तर भए पनि because हाम्रो त्यो बिक्नी राउन्डहरू हुन्थ्यो नि त इन आवर स्टेट इज भेरी हार्ड टु एक्सपोज आवर बडी होइन त्यतिखेर चाहिँ कस्तो लागेको थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब मेबी आई वन्ट बी एबल टु डु माइ सेल्फ तर भए पनि आई एम हियर टु ब्रेक दिस थिङ्स नि त त्यही भएर त म गर्दैछु भनेर चाहिँ द्याट्स हाउ आई केम ब्याक स्ट्रङ्गर देन आई क्यान डु इट द्याट्स वाइ आई गेभ all of my but wasn't enough. We'll definitely do it next time.
One thing I've noticed so far is कि you are being so grounded, because तपाईँले जुन चाहिँ भन्नुहुँदैछ कि I could not win the title, but being a finalist itself is a big thing, right? And also being a like Miss Universe सिक्किम हुनु पनि त ठुलो कुरा हो नि त होइन because in a whole stateमा you were the one made. And also next question चाहिँ मेरो तपाईँले भन्नुभयो like you had problems. So in our society today, like how can men make women feel more comfortable? Because even in the like bikini rounds or all this thing, so like did you get male gaze not like did men out there make you feel uncomfortable?
One thing which differentiates people from outside र सिक्किमकोमा चाहिँ नि के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ नि इन द्याट उयो मिस युनिभर्स इन्डिया के थियो भन्दाखेरि एभ्री वान वर मेन हो कि जो चाहिँ पनि टिमहरू थियो नि सबै मेन थियो सो त्यो वर लाइक सो फ्रेन्डली उनीहरूले चाहिँ त्यस्तो केही फिलै गराउनु हुँदैन थियो होइन द्याट वाज द वान थिङ आई लाइक मोस्ट अबाउट देम बट एज ह्योर देयर वर सम मेन इभन दे वर नट लाइक द्याट बट एज सुन एज आई अपलोड इन द सोसियल मिडिया भन्नु थालिहाल्छ नि त I did even had त्यस्तो खालको बिचारा my parents were continuously fighting for me. त्यस्तो पनि भएको थियो अन्त what are the things that men should do?
What men can do, like maybe for a friend or maybe for a complete stranger, what can men do to make women feel more comfortable? Like there are times, right, जब maybe मान्छेको intentions are right or wrong होइन but then even if कसैको राम्रो intention छ भने पनि he might not be able to express himself. So what can he do to make women feel more comfortable?
I would only like to say one thing that is जस्तो अब men सबै मेनको they have mothers, sister, even the sisters भएन भने mother त हुन्छ नि so every woman लाई नि आफ्नो आमा र नि दिदी-बहिनी सोचेर हेर्नु। I would like to say that. अरू किन एजुकेट गर्नु? Obviously, they have their mind होइन, they have their sense, they know everything what to do. तर बामे त्यस्तो गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I didn't mean कि अब love and affection, that is different thing. याद हुन्छ आफूलाई। त्यस्तो भन्न चाहन्छु कि मेनले चाहिँ नि त्यस्तो खालके केटीहरूलाई चाहिँ अरू स्ट्रेन्जर भनेर नहेर्नु होइन। Because she is someone's wife, she is someone's mother.
Most
Yeah,
importantly,
she is someone, right? So मलाई चाहिँ त्यही लाग्छ अरे मान्छेहरू चाहिँ see them as their, you know, like their mother, like their sister, so that you will not have those kind of feelings. These strangers are like, I would like to see that.
how safe do you think women in Sikkim feel?
I feel like Sikkim is the most, you know, peaceful state and God gifted, blessed to be in Sikkim. Though there these अब recently कतिवटा केसेसहरू हुँदैछ तर भए पनि I feel like सिक्किममा चाहिँ गर्ल्सहरू चाहिँ नि दे आर मोस्टली सेफ प्लेसमा या सेफेस्ट प्लेसमै छ जस्तो लाग्छ बिकज आई सी हुन्छ नि अब गर्ल्सहरू इन्टरनेटमा उता अरू प्लेसमा पर्टिकुलरली अब मेन्सन गर्न सक्दिनँ अरू प्लेसमा हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब हुन्छ नि के भन्छ त्यो जिस्काउँदै गरेको बाटोमा हिँड्दाखेरि कम आल यसो बट हियर आई फिल लाइक मेन आर मोर रेस्पेक्टफुल हुन्छ नि पुरा रेस्पेक्ट गर्छ वुमेन्सहरूको even if they have something to ask a woman, they will definitely go and talk to them, but in a respectful way. There's always a way. त्यो limit चाहिँ cross गर्दैन जस्तो लाग्छ. Yeah, I like men of Sikkim. They are very good. And though there are some people that I don't feel like सिक्किमकै मान्छेहरू चाहिँ हुँदैन जस्तो लाग्यो.
Majority ma चाहिँ it's when you look around at these places, right? It's the like nature ma. Does it remind something about yourself?
Obviously, this place is so beautiful. So one thing that I said, you know, I'm very curious about things. I love to learn and explore. By looking at this place, nature, it gives me, you know, the curiosity to learn more about the things, the plants, the insects, you know, the nature around me. So I'm very curious about to learn the new things that's around me.
If we weren't recording, अगर हामीले record गरेको थिएन भने चाहिँ what would you be doing here?
Firstly, obviously, अहिले हामी such an एरियामा छ कि I mean like generationमा छ है. Obviously, I click, you know, photos of myself and in and around, you know, the new things देखेँ भने त obviously, you know, photo खिचिहाल्छु नि गएर यहाँनिर नगरेर पनि.
Like save the memory.
Yes, capture the memory. Also, you know, to click them and, you know, to learn more about this thing. Internetहरूमा गएर सर्चहरू गरेर I would do that. Such a lovely place, obviously. Photo त capture गर्नुपर्छ होला. Also, yeah, more thing.
Don't you feel like you want to run here? Or maybe
Run.
yeah.
अब कुद्यो भने त अब of course I fall होला तर भए पनि yes, it's such a beautiful place. रन गर्दाखेरि पनि कस्तो, you know, the even there फुट्दै हिँड्यो भने पनि the vibe, the feel that it gives, it's so refreshing and natural, you know. Of course, I would love to run. If more flying गर्न सकेको भए I would love to fly. यहाँदेखि माथिसम्म. It would be more beautiful.
What's the best moment in your life?
Best moment अहिलेसम्मको चाहिँ maybe बादमा पनि हुन सक्छ होला. When I said, I mean like when my parents, both of them said, even after I wasn't able to, you know, win Miss Universe India, they were like so proud of me and they were रुन्दै भन्नुभयो फोनमा होइन, even though they were not able to, you know, witness my final. But still, फोनमा चाहिँ as soon as it got over, लाइफमा हेर्नुहुँदै थियो, they were like, they literally cried and said, you were the one to, you know, represent the state all alone, होइन, एक्लै भएर, you are, okay, that is only the best thing that you have done to us and you have already made me proud, and that was the, you know, the best moment. Even I cried, even my both parents cried at that moment. So yeah, that is very unforgettable moment. We had a rainbow.
यो पनि हालौँ ल हेर न रेनबो गरेको वाट डु यु फोटो खिचेको छ नहाल्नु When people hear the name Sonia Pradhan, what do you want people to remember? Beyond the crown, beyond the glam, beyond this everything, when light, when there's no camera.
Very interesting question. As everyone says, हुन्छ नि मलाई चाहिँ I'm very kind. म आफूले आफूलाई फुर्काएको होइन होइन किनकि बिफोर द आई डोन्ट युज टु कल माइसेल्फ काइन्ड पर्सन अल्सो अन्त मलाई चाहिँ भन्यो समन हु इज भेरी काइन्ड ग्राउन्डेड एन्ड भेरी ग्रेटफुल यु नो द थ्री एलिमेन्ट्स मेरो लाइफमा चाहिँ मान्छेहरूले हेर्दा चाहिँ भन्नुहोस् हुन्छ अन्त म चाहिँ वाइ काइन्ड भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ आई एम अलवेज देयर टु यु नो नट इभन हेल्प हुन्छ नि हेल्प गरेर होइन सिम्पथाइज मात्रै होइन अब गएर चाहिँ आई एक्चुली गो एन्ड आस्क देम वाट दे आर फिलिङ अबाउट द सिचुएसन दे आर इन त्यो त्यसै एउटा टफ मोमेन्टमा मात्रै होइन इभन दो द इन्भाइरोमेन्ट हुन्छ नि उसको भाइबमा छैन भने आई गो एन्ड अकम्पनी देम एन्ड समन हु इज भेरी ग्राउन्डेड एन्ड आई एम भेरी यु नो ग्रेटफुल टु द पर्सन हु हेभ गिभन मी दिस अपर्च्युनिटी अल्सो मोस्टली माई मम एन्ड माई ड्याड जसले मलाई जन्म दिनुभयो होइन आइ एम भेरी ग्रेटफुल टु देम या पिपलले चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ जे पनि हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ दो कल मी मलाई भन्नु पनि भएको कतिजनाले यो समन इज भेरी ग्रेटफुल अफ वाट यु हेभ गट भनेर चाहिँ भने सो आई स्टिल वुड लाइक टु कन्टिन्यू हुन्छ नि मान्छेहरू चाहिँ त्यही चाहिँ हेरोस् समन हु इज भेरी काइन्ड ग्राउन्डेड एन्ड ग्रेटफुल थ्री थिङ्स
How close are you to your parents?
I'm very close, both with my dad and mom, but mom सँग चाहिँ अलिक close too because you know
Yeah, because mom,
yeah, mom is mom. I can share everything. So she's very understanding.
with that, चाहिँ सबैजनाको there's this respect वाला thing अलिकति and we are not always as close to dad as we want.
Yeah, very true.
I think it's the way they are wired and I think it's the way we
Yeah.
Oh, so rainbow rainbow देख्दा तपाईँलाई के याद आउनेछ or how do you feel rainbow देख्दाखेरि
Rainbow, you know, they carries like so many different colors, 7 colors, right? It makes them colorful, beautiful. So by looking at them, even my life is, you know, filled with all the colors, just like the rainbow. So I still wanna live in this colorful life. I just don't wanna go into the dark phase of my life, which I've already been through, but I don't know. Yeah, of course I don't wanna go. So yeah, it's such a beautiful color and colorful gives a colorful life.
How emotional are you?
If म मान्छेहरूले मलाई चिन्नेहरूले हेरिरहेको छ भने म अब इमोसनल छैन भने अभियसली ढाँटेको भनिहाल्छ इभन स्मल थिङ्समा यु नो आई रियली गेट्स इमोसनल ड्रामा हेऱ्यो भने सेम मुभी रिपिट गरेर हेऱ्यो भने पनि यु नो आइ एम अलवेज क्राइङ एन्ड आइ एम भेरी इमोसनल
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I do believe in love. Love is the most precious thing in this world.
So, like, what is love to you?
Love is something, you know, you understand other person. Not just love गर्यो भन्दैमै सबै कुरा गरिदिने खालके मात्रै होइन अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड गरेर the most important thing is to understand each other. The trust हुनु पर्यो अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड हुनु पर्यो अरू त सबै आफूले गर्दा पनि भइहाल्छ त्यो एकअर्काको लागि द्याट्स द मोस्ट थिङ यु नो ट्राई टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड डोन्ट ह्युमिलेट इच अदर I would say men sometimes tries to, you know, objectify women. तर त्यस्तो नहुनु just like अब you see कतिको अब आफ्नो ड्याडले आफ्नो ममलाई मन पराएको जस्तै त हामीले पनि त अरूलाई मन पराएको so that's the love not just between a relationship but with men and women but to your you know sisters your family your friends you know even the strangers around you if you spread love everything seems to be good.
What changed in you, like, Java, before everything? When you were silent and when there was nobody clapping for you? Papa said, how did you evolve to this person you are today?
What is one thing that changed within me? सो के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ पहिला त एभ्री वान युज टु लुक्स डाउन टु मी इभन माई अफकोर्स माई फ्रेन्ड्स अल्सो नट द आई मिन लाइक ग्रुपको फ्रेन्ड्स द क्लास अराउन्ड मी पिपल अराउन्ड मी आई फिल लाइक टिचर्सहरूले पनि मलाई अलिकति हुन्छ नि लोए देखेको जस्तो लाग्थ्यो तर अहिले चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ आफ्टर एभ्रिथिङ आई एम रेडी टु एक्सेप्ट इभन उनीहरूले डाउन हेऱ्यो भने मलाई पनि केही छैन डजन्ट म्याटर आइम अलवेज रेडी टु एक्सेप्ट वाट कम्स अफ मी द्याट एक्सेप्टेन्स चाहिँ लाग्यो मेरो उयसमा चाहिँ मेरो लाइफमा चाहिँ त्यो एक्सेप्ट गर्नु चाहिँ लाग्यो इभन द सिम्पलेस्ट थिङ्स
यो चाहिँ हामीले यहीँ आएर मात्रै रेकर्ड गर्न सकेको पनि यही टाइममा मात्रै यो मैले अगाडिदेखि सोचिरहेको थिएँ when people see you when people see you with your crown, what's one thing that they often get it wrong when they see you winning, when they see you with the title, and when they see you where you are today? What's that one thing that people अब फर्स्ट ग्लान्समा जस्ट सोनियालाई यसो हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ वाट्स द्याट वान थिङ जे चाहिँ उनीहरूले गलत देख्छ या फिर लिन्छ?
अब मलाई चाहिँ लाग्छ मैले चाहिँ या दे माइट बी बट आई डोन्ट नो अफकोर्स दे वन्ट कम एन्ड सी टु मी बट समन हुन्छ नि अब पहिला नचिन्ने स्ट्रेन्जर तर अहिले चाहिँ राम्रो बोल्नेहरूले चाहिँ के भन्ने थियो नि आई वाज समन वाज भेरी रुड पर्सन भेरी स्पोल्ड द्याट खालके तर वेन दे केम टु नो मी दे रियलाइज द्याट के म चाहिँ आई एम नट द्याट काइन्ड अफ पर्सन आइ एम अ पर्सन दे सेड लाइक आइ एम अ पर्सन हु इज not I mean who is not ready to show what she is तर not just by looking at it but by doing it हुन्छ नि बुझ्नुभयो या त्यही भन्छ म चाहिँ someone who is very rude पहिला चाहिँ तर once you get to know me तब चाहिँ they say I'm very kind and I think about everyone around me म चाहिँ अब I'm very helpful person. Also, I'll say one disadvantage of being kind is that one day I was walking in NG Mark with my sisters around me, and there was a guy from outside and he was like, "अलिकति help माग्दै थिएँ यस्तो जग्गाको," and I was like, "Okay, यस्तो छ," भन्दै थिएँ तर he started doing conversation अलिक बेसी म पनि I was carrying my magazine मेरो त्यो फ्रन्ट उयो भएको मेरै अनुहार भएको त्यहाँदेखि he saw अन्त उही इज दिस यु भन्छ यु आर अ मोडल यस्तो यस्तो गरेर आयो अन्त ऊ पनि बोल्दै 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 गर्नु गयो अन्त मलाई चाहिँ लाग्यो राम्रै पर्सन हो विथ समन विज ट्राइङ टु डु अ कन्भर्सेसन टु मी तर मेरो दिदीहरूले चाहिँ बहिनीहरूले चाहिँ मलाई तानेर लग्यो दे रियलाइज थियो कि अब मलाई चाहिँ उसले चाहिँ अब त्यो अब अर्कै नराम्रो वेमा चाहिँ बोल्नु खोजेको थिएछ बट त्यो चाहिँ मैले रियलाइजै गर्न सकेन क्या अब आई वाज देयर टु हेल्प हिम बट हि वाज थिङ्किङ अर्कै रहेछ त्यस्तो चाहिँ द्याट इज अ वान डिसएडभान्टेज अफ बिङ काइन्ड
Yeah, it happens like हामीले like if we are kind and we see others with our own lens, right? तर सो अगर तपाईँले आफ्नो 13 year old सेल्फलाई भेट्न सक्नुहुन्थ्यो भने what would you say to her?
अब 13 इयर्समा त म स्कुलमै थिएँ होइन अन्त म स्कुलमा आई वाज भेरी साई इभन दो आई वाज भेरी एक्टिभ इन स्पोर्ट्स बट देयर वाज रुम फुल अफ अपर्च्युनिटिज विच आई डेन्ट ग्राब I was I I love doing public speaking. अनि हाम्रो स्कुलमा there was a lot of opportunities public speaking को लागि तर म फरवर्ड भएन 1-2 खेप गर्दाखेरि नै I backed out. त्यो चाहिँ लाग्छ कि grab the opportunities and accept what you are. Just like before I said acceptance build भयो मलाई त्यो चाहिँ accept गर्नु पर्थ्यो even though people are judging you doesn't matter. So I feel like you should always grab and actually you should be curious about things that you don't know. Don't feel shy हुन्छ नि अब मलाई याद छैन याद भएको जस्तो गर्नु चाहिँ त्यस्तो चाहिँ होइन be curious you always ask question because that's how you learn अन्त मैले चाहिँ त्यही भन्छु accept yourself
You said you were very athletic back then, eh? And what other hobbies do you have apart from modeling? What other hobbies do you have?
Uh, of course, I said athletic. I love to play basketball, and there is a small, small room for volleyball also. And of course, people love to read books, but I'm not one of them. I'm someone who love to, watch movies. And the, movie हेरेर चाहिँ that gives me the के भन्छ त्यो inspire. Movie हेरेर चाहिँ नि म inspire हुन्छु नि त to be an actor. So I love to be an actress. Yeah.
So you want to be an actor.
Yes.
Who inspires you the most to be an actress?
Actress. I see Susmita Sen and Priyanka Chopra because they are both from pageantry fields. Also doing the excel in their acting also. The the way they speak, I love the clarity they both give. Also, the act, how pretty they does. So yeah, they are the inspiration of mine. And also, I would like to add Deepika as well. She's gorgeous.
The way you smile, do something about it. It's so important.
Thank you.
So this natural or किसी कौन सा बनी?
I mean, like, of course, before pageantry, the मेरो आफ्नै life छ होइन. So, मेरो चाहिँ naturally हो, but in pageantry, they teach you each and everything, how you sit, how you talk, how you smile, how you dress yourself, how you groom yourself, everything is being taught. So, स्माइल चाहिँ मेनली कसरी सिकाउँछ भन्दाखेरि दे लिटरली आस्क यु टु पुट द पेन्सिल यस्तो मुखमा लगाएर so that you can smile bright enough. But in my case, that wasn't the thing because I already had this natural smile. So मेरो ग्रुमरहरू पेरेन्ट म्यामहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो ग्रुमरहरूले उनीहरूले चाहिँ भन्नुहुन्थ्यो स्माइल लाइक सी युज टु गिभ एन एक्जाम्पल अफ लाइफ एन्ड आई युज टु बी भेरी ह्याप्पी. I'm blessed to have this smile as well. But sometimes, obviously, it leads to disadvantage also because, you know, this बेसी थोडा हाल्यो भने हाँस्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो साइडमा पनि त्यो लाइन बस्छ कि अन्त sometimes it this looks unattractive. Yeah.
Don't you think like don't you think that is too much? Pencil halikina smile गर्नु सिकाउनु. Or do you think it's fine?
No, because अब यस्तो हुन्छ नि त कति मान्छेहरूले नि दे आर सो मच इन्सिक्योर अबाउट द स्माइल. तर एभ्री वान सबैलाई एकै फाँच्यो भने त सबैजना राम्रै देख्छ नि त. देयर इज नो वान हाँस्दा हाउडे देख्छ भनेर होइन. सो इट्स अ गुड थिङ एटलिस्ट तपाईँलाई इन्सिक्योरिटिजबाट हटाउनु त हटाउँदैछ. वाइ त्यही लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ. इट इज हेल्पफुल. अब दुख्नु त द्याट्स अ पेन एभ्रिथिङ एउटा के अचिभ गर्नुको लागि त पेन त गर्नै पर्यो नि त. त्यो हार्डवर्क त गर्नै पर्यो. सो या इन्सिक्योरिटिज हटाएको त इट्स द ग्रेट थिङ. आई वुड से इट्स अ गुड थिङ अल्सो.
Says there is someone who aspires to become just like you, who aspires to become Miss Sikkim.
Miss
So what will you say to her?
Very interesting. So, I would ask them to, I would love to say them that thank you for, taking me as an inspiration. But at the same time, I don't want you to be me. I want them to be their self. Embracing the individuality is the most important thing. So I would like to say your individuality is the most important thing. So be yourself. That's how you grow. You know yourself way better than anyone else. When you're even doing a public speaking or ke गर्दाखेरि पनि you tend to be very nervous. Why? Because I feel like other person is judging. You feel other person is judging. But उनीहरू त strangers हो नि त. उनीहरू तिम्रो बारेमा केही याद छैन. नराम्रो बोले पनि राम्रो बोल्यो भने होइन. So don't let other judge you. Be yourself. They doesn't know about you. They don't know anything about you. It's they will see the thing that you will show after they will look at you. So yeah, be yourself. I would say that.
What's one thing about people of Sikkim that you admire the most? And what's one thing that definitely needs to be changed
Okay.
or better?
And so one thing that I love about our place is the welcoming nature. They're always ready to welcome. जो पनि आयो भने पनि the भिडियोहरूमा पनि वी अफन सी होइन टुरिस्टहरूले कस्तो मजाले फिडब्याक दिनुभएको कस्तो मजाले वेलकम गर्नु
Traveler one.
हजुर हजुर या
Recent.
या you have done such a good thing like just उसले रेस्पोन्ड पनि राम्रो पायो नि त त्यो वेलकमिङ नेचर चाहिँ राम्रो लाग्छ अन्त अलिकति कन्ट्रोभर्सियलै हुन्छ होला वान थिङ द्याट इज हाम्रो सिक्किममा चाहिँ अलिक बेटर चाहिँ के हुनसक्छ भने नि अहिले चाहिँ के हुँदैछ भने पिपल आर भेरी मच डिपेन्डेन्ट पुरा सिक्किममा त्यो हुँदैछ बट वी हेभ अ रुम फुल अफ अपर्च्युनिटी ओसनै भइरहेको छ वी क्यान ग्राब इच एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ बट पिपल हियर आर भेरी डिपेन्डेन्ट अन अदर्स भन्छ स्पेसली गभर्मेन्ट so go for, just like you're doing the great productive things. You can do this. You are also inspiring a lot of people. Just like asti video edit गर्ने खालके one that was so great. And entrepreneurship भयो होइन there's always यो गभर्मेन्ट जबमा त सिक्योर होइन नि त there are lot more of things अझै आउँदैछ इफ हामीले बेसी गऱ्यो भने बेसी होला अहिले उयो छैन के भन्छ there's no scope भनेर but once you do त्यहाँदेखिको scope बढ्छ नि त होइन people will start loving your content so yeah that's the thing that I would like to see them bringing change in Sikkim.
So, how did you balance your, like, how do you balance your studies and this present day?
Mm. Uh, it is very difficult, obviously. अब college, I'm a भर्खर graduate गरेको हो, but I was doing college when I was doing Miss Sikkim or Miss Universe India. The problem आयो बिचमा, the attendance thing, it was very hard to handle, no? But अब बोलेपछि सबै भइहाल्छ. Just like I did the same thing. मैले मेरो lecturers-हरूलाई भने गएर होइन के भन्छ I did this thing and they were okay with it. So it was, after that it was quite easy. So I was able to, handle all the both things.
Is there anything, any one message, if everyone, literally every people from every gender, every community, everywhere, from around Sikkim or maybe from all over India, if everyone was listening to you right now, what would you say to them? What would your message be?
One thing, we are living in a century where people judge you a lot. You know, even if we do the right things, even if we do the wrong thing, they are always ready to judge. सबै right thing गरिरहेको छ भने एउटा जुन चाहिँ wrong thing छ नि त्यो कति छिटो क्याप्चर गर्छ नि क्याप्चर गरेर they'll try to degrade you down. Your world mother that's unfair भइरहेको छ नि त that's the main thing. So I would like to say change your mindset, everyone should change your mindset. Everyone should be able to, live on their generation. उसको जेनेरेसनमा कस्तो चलिरहेछ त्यस्तै लिभ गर्नु दिनु वाइ टु जज अहिले पुरा पिपलहरू जज गरेर दे आर लिडिङ टु सुसाइड्स रेप्स कति बेसी डिप्रेसन्सहरू न्यू बिमारीहरू एङ्जाइटीहरू भइसकेको छ इट्स अल बिकज दे आर जजिङ and they are making them feel low neither. So I just want them to change your mindset, stop judging people, which is very hard to change people's mindset. But if you tapele gare, if they do, then only yes. Yeah, I mean like if individual does, then only it will lead to something. If we try to, we won't be able to. My मेरो mindset change गरे भने मात्रै there will be some changes, no? So yeah, that's how thing.
Very beautiful message, and thank you so much once again for accepting our invitation. We had such a beautiful conversation, and this podcast was one of the best episodes we have recorded.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me.
And we hope we can record one more session. किनभने time को पूरा कमी छ.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
It's almost getting dark, and I hope you enjoyed sitting here in the beautiful hills of Timi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, obviously it's a lovely place. I would love to visit more often here. And thank you for, discovering such a beautiful, pretty place for me as well so that I can come again with my friends. Yeah, so it was a beautiful podcast doing with you also. Yeah,
Okay, thanks so much.
thank you.